So I got some new aprons and I got them from AliExpress. I don't know if you've ordered from there before, but it's kind of hit and miss. So sometimes I order a medium, which is what I normally wear, and I can't squeeze into it, and other times you get a medium and you're swimming in it. So I ordered these in hopes that they would work, and this one is like super cute, but the strings are really short. It is made for somebody much smaller than me. So tying it is quite interesting. Like, I feel like I've got enough. Yeah, so it's a bit of a task to get it tied, but it does look very cute, and I will show you the others. Oh, and I'm also not sure, the material on two of them is, well, it's kind of swishy, so I'm not sure how functional it's going to be, but it looks nice. So here are the others as well. So here's this one, pretty cute. It's that same swishy kind of material. So we'll have to bake something and see how it works, because I like to brush my hands a lot when I've got flour on me and stuff. So, and then the last one is a good one. So this one's pretty simple and nice. And I like how when you get stuff from AliExpress, it's like straight from China, and they'll just throw any kind of English words on things. So this says fashion. So I'm really in style, I guess. My husband got a coat or jacket from AliExpress, and it says like, the art of cake is beautiful. You know. So that's what you expect to see on the tag of a jacket. It's just on the tag. It's not like on the back of it or anything. So yeah, these are the aprons, and I'm excited to check them out, use them.